Hello guys, today we are back again with some new logic, new tricks in the Power Query M code. So today I'm going to discuss about the custom sort function, okay, in the Power Query M code. How you can do the custom sort order, okay. So meaning you can define your custom order and based on that order, the data will be sorted, okay. So as you can see here, I have one data set, country, sales amount, rating. So I want to sort based on the rating, meaning E means excellent. So I should get this two row on the first row, okay, first and second row, this should come. And then average meaning this one should come on the third position, okay, this and fourth position. And the B means bad meaning it should come on the last position. So this is the logic today I'm trying to build in the Power Query M code, okay. So let us bring this data into Power Query. So click any of the cell in the table, go to data tab, click table slash range. So it will launch the Power Query editor. Okay. It will bring the data into Power Query. So as you can see here, the data has brought into the Power Query editor. Okay. And the Power Query has created two steps. One is source and the change type. So change type we do not want here. Just remove this one. Okay. And here we need to apply our logic. Okay. So here, first thing what we have to do, we need to insert the column. So go to add column and click on custom. Okay. So here we need to apply our logic. What the function it will do the custom sorting. Okay. So here we need to write list dot position of. Okay. Meaning we are going to give the position of our custom sort order. Okay. So list dot position of, open the bracket, it is asking list as a list, meaning you have to provide the custom list, okay, custom list order. Okay. So here inside the curly bracket I am going to define my custom sort order. Okay. So here E meaning it should come on the first position. Okay. Then A meaning the average, it should come on the second position. And B meaning bad, it should come on the last position. Okay. And put the comma, it is asking value as any value, meaning the value should come from the rating column, from this column. Double click this column and close the bracket. Okay. And click on OK button. So you can see here it is giving the position meaning A meaning it should come on the first. Okay. E should come on the zero meaning it is on the top. Okay. Because Power Query is zero base, so it is giving zero position. So E should come on the top. Okay. This two E, it is coming here also, and here is zero. And A meaning it is coming on the second position. So what we have to do now, you click on this tab and click on ascending. So as you can see here, we have sorted the data based on our custom sort order. Okay. So E is coming on the first, A is coming on the second, and B is coming on the last. And remove this column, the custom column. Okay. And then load this data in our Excel sheet. Close and load to existing worksheet. Choose the location of the data and click on OK. So as you can see here, the data has been sorted based on our custom sort order. Okay. Let me change the color of the header. So you can see here the data has been sorted based on our criteria what we have defined in our logic. Now I'm going to achieve the same result by using another technique. Okay. Meaning I'm not going to insert the column. Okay. But in the Power Query itself, we are not going to insert, but we are going to apply the same logic. Okay. So just let us follow what I'm going to do on the second logic to achieve the same result. Okay. So double click on the table 2 and just make this query as a duplicate. Okay. And just remove this, accept the source. Okay. This is our source, and I'm going to rename this table as a table 3. Okay. table 3. So here we are going to sort now. Okay, we are going to achieve the same result using another technique. Okay, so here what you have to do, first you click on the rating and sort ascending. So it will generate, okay, the yum code, the Power Query will generate the code how the sort order is going to happen in the Power Query engine. Okay, so first of all it is giving the code table dot sort, and the source meaning the previous step, which is this one, and it is applying the logic here, meaning rating means this column, and order that ascending. So here we are going to edit, so remove this part, just remove this part. Okay, and here we'll build our custom sort order. So we need to write here each, because we are going to each of the row, okay, or each of the row of the data. And here we can write here list dot position of, list dot position of, open the bracket, as it is asking provide me the list. Okay, so here in the curly bracket again we have to define our custom sort order. E is coming on the first position, A coming in the second position, and B is coming on the last position. So this is our custom sort order, and we can write here comma, and it is asking provide me the value as any. So value is coming from rating column, from this column. So in the rating, how we can input the column, this column here, we can put this bracket and write here rating. Okay, make sure you write correctly, because Power Query is case sensitive, it will throw the error. Okay, so close the bracket and press this tick mark. You can see here we have achieved the same result, but we have not inserted the column. Okay, and go to close and load to, and just load this data in the existing sheet. Choose location. I'm going to choose this location and click OK. Now you can see here I have achieved the same result, but I have used another technique. Okay, so here let me add some new country. I'm going to add here NP. Okay, and I'm going to put the value 3500, and here I'm going to uh, give as a E. E means excellent. Now I'm going to refresh this data. Now you can see here NP is coming on the first position, which is excellent. Okay, if you refresh this data also, we'll achieve the same result. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. I'll post many Power Query tricks, VBA, Excel, Advanced Excel, and so on. Thank you for your time.